Hello everyone, I'm making this video to talk about some problems on Redmi Note 11 series phones that no one else is talking about. Mainly the touch unresponsiveness and the boot loop problem. Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus and other series phones comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD AMOLED display with a refresh rate up to 120Hz. Coming over to the hardware specifications of the phone, it comes with a Snapdragon processor, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, as well as an Adreno GPU. Coming over to the camera sections of the phone, we have a 108 megapixel main camera, a macro camera, and a wide camera that does the job. The first problem that I experienced and that a lot of other people are experiencing is serious touch responsiveness issues. Like when you're trying to touch on a section of the screen, another section is resisting the touch. That is one issue, and at other times there is another problem of no touch being received at all. I think it's because of some software issue, or it can be because of faulty hardware touch digitizer that is used. And anyway, this is a serious problem for a phone that's having an AMOLED display and 120Hz refresh rate. Coming over to the second problem, actually I was fortunate enough not to experience this problem because only a small fraction of people are feeling this. It is the problem of infinite boot loop happening when you are powering on the phone after a software security update. This is a serious issue, and I think we'll have to wipe cache partition and stuff and wipe the entire data from the phone to get it to work again. It seems like the phone is getting into a soft brick for some reason that we can't understand. Hit that like button and keep me motivated, and do subscribe so that you can watch more videos when I am putting them. Thanks for watching. Bye.